Hi guys, so this is a review for an order that I had placed through Spells of Magic, and I was asked to do these reviews for them, so there's going to be a few of them. They might not all be up on the same day, but just keep a lookout. But the first one I'm going to do is over a new Oracle deck, and I haven't really messed with this one too much. The graphics in it are gorgeous. I love them. They're very pretty. I just haven't really had the time to sit down and try to connect with these very well. I do have a connection with them. I just don't know how deep it's going to go yet. But this Oracle deck is the Gaia Oracle by Tony Carmine Salerno. And it comes in the box. There's some of the pictures on the back. I will go through a few of the cards. I won't do a whole set. I might do a complete review on this at a later date. So, it comes with its little book. This is what the book looks like. This image is on the back of the cards. Sorry about the glare. And it gives a little bit about the card. It gives an affirmation to every card. So for example, what was this first one that I pulled up? Hidden Path. Hidden Path is number 34. So here's the section for the first card. Well, not the first card, but the first card that I'm showing you. That's the card, Hidden Path. And there's your little thing about it. Not this part. It's down here. And then up here, and then every card has its own little affirmation. I'm not really sure why it's changing color on me. That's kind of weird, but there you go. So I will go through some of the cards. So you've seen the first one. Pull this card out. That's like my favorite card, the one I'll show you now. This is number 11, Rising Above. Then Lost to Love. Remembrance. Hopefully I can maybe come across the actual Gaia card. I can't show that one. I can't show that one either. How about I just flip them around and find it? Here's one I can show. The Message. I just want to show you that this is the Gaia card. There's a little bit of nudity in these, not much, mostly just breast. A Hidden Gift. Tree of Life. And one more I'll show you. Apprehension. So the cards are very beautifully illustrated. I think they're gorgeous. They are good sized cards too, about the size of your hand. And they're fairly reasonably priced, about usual when it comes to Oracle decks. So if you want to go check them out, you can. The website is spellsofmagic.com. And stay tuned, I will have some more videos up. Blessings, guys.